Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at a comma rule on how writers can use commas between a direct quote and the attribution. If you're not familiar with that, don't worry. I'll cover both the rule and some examples. So let's take a look at the rule. So first of all, an attribution, what is that? An attribution shows who is speaking. When we're looking at writing, that's what it shows us. It shows us who is speaking. The attribution is most frequently just he said or she said. It can be that simple. And the rule here is that you need to use a comma between the attribution, the he said, she said, and the direct quotation. Let's take a look at some examples. Examples make it all so much easier to understand. He said, let's go to the party. We see here we've got a comma in between the attribution, he said, and the quote, let's go to the party. She answered, wait a few minutes. Again, we've got a comma here. It's after the attribution, she said, and the quote, wait a few minutes. You always take a long time, he mused. So here, the comma, and then the inside of the quotation marks, you'll see that the end quote is right here. We've got our comma on the inside of those quotation marks. That's just fine. And the attribution is here, he mused. Okay? And then, our last example, I know it takes me forever to get ready, she responded. Again, we've got that comma. It's on the inside of the quotation marks. So the inside of the closed quotation here. And we have the attribution here, she responded. Okay, so anytime that you are writing and you're using dialogue and you've got characters that you are writing out in maybe a story or something like this, or you're quoting someone and you want to include their quote in your writing, this is the way that you're going to do it. You're going to separate the attribution from the quote, and you're going to use a comma to do that. I hope that's helpful to you, and good luck with your writing.